Hello everyone, day 12 of learning SQL, and today we are going to look at string functions. String functions are built-in functions that allow you to manipulate and process text data. They are very important when you are cleaning, formatting, or transforming string values stored in database tables. There are several string functions. We are going to look at the basic. The first one is length. Length basically counts the number of letters in the word that we want to view. Let's say select length. Now that's our string function. Length. Let's say the word like people. Close it and run it. As you can see, it has given us the result of 6, which basically means the word people has 6 letters, right? We can use it in a practical case. Let's say we select the first name, first underscore name, right? Then length, if we want to count the length of the first names of people in our table, length, right? Length, the first name from our table, which is the employee demographics table. And as we run that, first name, from select the first name, the length. As we run that, first name, length. Why is it not running? Let's try it again. Select the first name, right? Then length, then length, first name, right? From our table, which is the employee demographics table. Close that. Let's run that. As you can see from the results, it has given us the length of each first name. For example, the name Leslie is made up of 6 letters. Tom is made up of 3 letters, and so forth. Another string function that we can use is the upper function. Upper basically transforms text into uppercase. For example, we might want to transform the word people into uppercase. Select upper, then insert our word people, close that, and run it. As you can see, it has changed the word people into uppercase. A practical example from our table, you can say select the first name, then upper first name, close that. From our table, which is the employee demographics table, let's run that. As you can see, it has changed our first names into uppercase. Leslie was made up of of small cases. Now, as you can see, it has been transformed into upper cases. Apart from upper, we also have another string function, lower, which does the opposite of upper, which it changes our text data into lowercase. In our case, if we want to change the first name to lowercase, we just insert lower here. As you can see, every first name has been changed into lowercase. We have another type of string function, which is called the trim. The trim basically gets rid of white spaces. You might find instances where the words or the text that has been included into our table with a lot of white spaces, and during transformation of the data, we might need to standardize that and remove all the white spaces. So trim can be achieved by select trim. Let's create a white space. Let's say the word, let's just go with people, right? Add another white space, close that. So what our trim does is that it gets rid of this white space. Yeah. So run that. You can see from the results, the white space has been removed. We have also different types of trims. We have the right trim, which basically gets rid of the white space in the right. Let's try to run this. As you can see, the white space found on the right has been removed. There's also the left trim. When we run that, you can see the white space in the left has been removed. So that's it for today when it comes to string functions. We'll continue with other string functions in the next session. Bye bye.